Today's featured pickup truck is a 2020 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport 4x4 with the 5-liter V8. And this one I filmed back when it was brand new, back in 2020. And I just found the footage for it, figured I'd show it. But this one had a sticker price. The MSRP was $86,085. And it's a four-wheel drive F-150 with the Borla exhaust, the Baer brakes, all the good stuff that came on them. Except that this one, being that it was in Southern California, California has a law that you can't sell them with the supercharger on them at the dealership. It has to be done aftermarket by Shelby. So you'd have to send a truck to Shelby in Las Vegas, have them put the supercharger on it in order to get the 770 horsepower. Otherwise, you got 395 horsepower. And it's still a rare truck. They only made, Shelby America only made 250 of them. So even without having the supercharger, being near the military base in Camp Pendleton, it sold quick. It was gone. Then I think the next time I went back a couple days later, it was already gone. But that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 2020 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport 4x4 with the 5-liter V8 with 395 horsepower and a sticker price of $86,085. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.